come around. Everyone does once they hear my magnificent high note. Close your eyes and open your ears. Put aside your silly old fears. Now that you're here, you'll always be singing in just the right key.
This song is good, this song is great.
We want to sing it too.
Why did we wait?
Yes, that's it! Now you're getting it!
Their eyes are turning purple. The moss is working. They can't hear her song.
Let's hope the next part of your plan works as well.
Why sing alone when you can sing it together? Come sing my song and we can sing it forever. So come on now and sing with me. Joining voices, that is the
Melodia,
key.
look out!
Sorry, Aggro!
Everyone, protect the songstress.
That's it. Follow me. Where was I? Oh, right. So come on now and sing with me.
Already heard that one.
Sing with me. What have you done?
What we had to do. You can't sing if you're sneezing.
Yeah, take it from me. You can't do anything when you're sneezing.
And we're guessing if you can't sing, you can't control our friends anymore.
Summer, Aggro, everyone, come with us.
But I haven't finished my song. Sing with me.
Let's go home. You heard her. Come on, everyone.
No! The show's never over. Don't leave me here to sing alone.
Let's see. Exploring a new island, check. Saving our friends from a dragon who can hypnotize you to sing with her, check. I'd say that was a full couple of days.
Yeah, I usually love stuff like this, but I'm actually kind of glad that it's... Oh, no. If they're not hypnotized anymore, shouldn't their eyes be turning back to normal?
So the spell hasn't been broken?
I don't know. It doesn't look like it.
I know how to be sure. Hey, Aggro.
Yes, my dear's best friend.
Yep, still hypnotized.
Fly to us, our queen of
What are they doing now?
Melodia. It's been too long. Hear us now and
What are you all doing?
Melodia said if we ever got separated, we should sing to her.
That's how Songwings find each other. What? So there's gonna be more singing?
Oh, well, you haven't heard the best part yet. After Melodia met Dak and Layla, she started working on a new song.
One that would make people sing with her, too. Isn't it wonderful?
Lay, this is bad, right?
Yep.
queen of song. Melodia, it's been too long.
You know, that song would be really catchy.
If it wasn't calling Melodia the Songwing to Hots galore. I really thought they would have tired out by now. Nope, and nothing we've tried has stopped them.
Come on, you gotta be hungry. You've been singing all night.
I have an idea. Can you all please stop singing?
Huh?